sails are wide, the stars above our faithful guide. We've braved the storm, we've earned the tide. Now the shoreline calls with pride. Ropes are tight, our hearts are light, salt and fire in every night. We're sailing home, boys, sailing strong. With the ocean's roar, we sing our song. Through wind and wave, we paid our toll, but the sea could never steal our soul. Raise the flag and ride the foam. We're sailing home. The gulls cry out, the cliffs arise. Land is near beneath the skies. We carry tales from far off lands, in calloused hearts and weathered hands. The compass spun, the nights were cold, but we held on with a grip of gold. We're sailing home, boys, sailing true. With the sky turned red and the fading blue, our names are carved in storm and spray, but home is just a breath away. Raise the flag and ride the foam. We're sailing home. We've seen the edge of the world and back, chased the stars down every track, but there's no treasure ship or stone that beats the sound of welcome home. We're sailing home, boys, one last run. The voyage ends where it begun. Through wind and wave we paid our toll, but the sea could never steal our soul. Raise your voice to skies unknown. We're sailing home. We're sailing home.